our brother that reach, make him tell us what he know reach for this matter wey concern this our brother Ifeanyi Kaba wey come back to Nigeria because supposed to go to play guitar right now. May you unmute yourself.
I give my people once again. I give the house well. So Abala, so the truth of the matter is say, I been one fair just tell you just now say now influence you for like make it address that issue of waiting because in your enter I say one from there just answer that question. But if now the background information you want know about, they say yes you correct. Since 1996 now I don't do this business of entertainment for New York or here and specifically for Africa entertainment generally. So we do everything where we supposed to do, where we they always they do. And it not go surprise you to know say if it don't first come, we don't fair do show for here, and it was big and very successful. You know that one. So now the same visa, same paperwork where it take come, where it still very valid. As I talk to you now, it's still very valid. Everything is still good. So the only thing is now small glitch of lack of information we will not be privy to. So maybe as we go reach that area, like at the top, influence will break it down for us. But for the general information, everything was done properly. We all working together, and we make sure say no stone was unturned. You know.
You do well. So now we will go for our young legend now because I beg our brother Nusa will come for you. But don't fair ask our young legend because they say they don't wear shoe. Now I know where they pay man. So as it be so, we go like make our young legends make him tell us because we know say before he come up for our country, there will be say day so the news up pass everywhere. We will see some music on flyer. They go up and down. Some of us right now blow the whistle before he raise head come out. He go land the back for that side. We go like make you tell us what really happened.
Okay, what really happened? Not too far from waiting my people. See, what really happened? Now be this. Normally, now working American visa, my people. Working visa as an artist. Then suppose now would they go any country? Where would they go? Artistic visa, and of which I don't get that visa since 2019. Like my part of us that they reach. A year there, America that 2019 we do the show come out. So the visa still gets the multiple entry for 2 years, which is supposed to expire this very December. So say because of COVID now, we're supposed to don't do shows since then. But based on one or two things, we're not based because of the COVID, we're not going to do shows since then. What really happened now be this. Very simple. As I reach port of entry, not knowing say we supposed to do another working a permit a paper where I supposed to add on the visa take come they say no say I still they can't work. We can't say based on as the 2 years make and the 2 years go let me see take come as you are not knowing say now working visa as to be working visa I still need another like petition where officially can use and take on work again. So exactly like they tell me for this. So they just tell me say okay as it be like this now they're not gonna fit cancel the visa for me. They're not going to do anything, but they're not going to take work. So if not for me, make I choose, make I go back to my country, may I work on the paper, then make I come back. So now so the matter just be. But I can't surprise say, sorry to say, may I talk on this one. What is surprise me for inside? Now when they tell me say my father the rich, they say he go report me. I don't want to lie. So they say my father report me, they say my team here go report me. Before I come out, me can surprise say for internet. I think I did talking now. I haven't talked about that they reach because they called me. They were so concerned about this stuff. Even Nosa here, my brother, where they here around 12, 1 o'clock for midnight. He even come airport. Don't wait for airport. I don't know whether the man
So will they hear you? So will they hear you? Will they hear you?
all over the and when I listen to the true story,
Will they hear you?
Oh, now will they come back to you again? You don't really tell us some parts inside. Because you get what you got just now. We would like make our brother Nusa make he help us answer that question. You see, say our young legend talk just now, say as inland Gidigba, the document we supposed to take, we supposed to join the visa, will be the working permit. We go show that any work you can't work. You hear what he talk just now, say the document not come there for there because maybe one or two things happen. We don't know whether if it turned out because we don't say you're not a producer, and you don't as he talking just now say you don't you will come to that place as it happen, you be rush come that place, first see what it happen, or that you be go pick up. If you tell us that what really happen concerning that paper what we say they talk about, so before we go back to our brother that the rich.
Yeah, I agree to my people. So what's the influence talk? Everything are true. So I mean, we have the New Jersey and Houston shows confirmed. So he's supposed to come in last week to relax a little bit for at least 2 days before the shows. And at the Rich Airport now, we all on the wait. He's supposed to land at about 10:30 p.m. in the night. So we not see and we not hear anything from her. So the person who will send go airport to go pick him up on the call us say, now 1 o'clock with this, I never see anything. Airport they empty. And around about 3 o'clock, 9, Adam can call us say, influence airport to he call me. He spoke to me, so they say he need a new petition to come back in. So me say the visa expired, so the visa was very much valid till December 2021. So I mean it was like an oversight. When we finally go back to the visa to look, we can notice that they wrote something at the bottom of the visa. Say I went to the right was a PED expiration date, and it was December 2019. And the visa on its own had an expiration date that was also written on the visa, which says December 2021. So we missed that little part when they write at the bottom. So meaning that whenever influence supposed to come back here and work, we were supposed to apply for a new petition. So then that petition then come. So it was an oversight on all of us. We missed that information. So that's why when he reached there, they got to say, you got to go back or to go apply for a new petition for you to come back. So it was not deported like the way the whole news they go around everywhere say influence was deported. So that's it. Also, so that day I run the report to go make sure everything was okay, but they don't let me enter. They say I'm not authorized. So we did all we can do. But at the end of the day, we heard from him say India on his way back to Nigeria. So entered Nigeria now.
You do well. You do well. For this one, we say you use Martin touch so because when the air, the breeze they blow everywhere. Even some of the fans, when they see some of the comments when they leave for inside bus. So many they ask a question. They come like say, they get as the whole thing can be. But what if we say we have people be say, as should we be so that they honor this our invitation, they could not talk for this our program. This one how Nasia talk show. I'm going to say another they tell us now how they really see the matter as it be and the way it's supposed to be. But the question now be say we go direct this question and give our dark pata that the rich answer. During the time when we say this matter happen, when we say our brother influence as English Obodo Ibo for this side, as he come land Gidigba, when this kind of thing happen, our brother that the rich, you dare I say anybody call the immigration, when they ask what really they happen, you dare aware of that one? Unmute yourself.
Okay. They say na prayer. The person they pray, make it not go follow road the day where something lost. So the thing is say, na me coordinate my guy where we SAS, make it go pick influence up. So by around that kind of time some change, as they come up for a house, they will phone for him until he drive reach airport. As they there, we see they talk, two of us they talk on the phone. Then we hang up a little bit. So we come reach around that kind 11:30. Say he never see come out. Now say because sometimes they go ask questions and clearance baggage and all of that. Say go day. So 2 of us, they phone there back and forth, back and forth. Can't reach 1 o'clock. We never, you never see come out. Now for that, me 2 of us come the what they see, waiting they go on now, even So I did with them on the phone. I don't even come on. We just the phone, just continue talking. The whole airport can't empty. Nobody did there. You don't come out. But I think that late around a little bit after 2 o'clock or around that kind 2 o'clock. Now my brother here, Adams Concord, say Influence reach out to our lawyer, and they say the petition, it needed a different type of petition to take come back. So he go back. So now I can't call my boy waiting for airport, say he not go come out. So even from then I say make it go house, no need for them to take the wait for airport again, make it just go house. From there we I do phone with them until reach out. Before me leave phone with them, it was around 3 a.m. From that 3 a.m. now I started to do all my research. Started to do what thing they try to talk about. From all the years of my experience, I never hear that kind of thing before. I never see that kind of thing. I don't know why and how. What they talking about? So from that whole day, can't reach the next day afternoon and everything. I did this matter. I talked to all kind of different lawyers. So lawyer would have called it. Minimum maybe like 12 lawyers now call. Inside only 3 fee talk to me. Even the lawyers, most of them didn't even understand what they were actually asking for. So all said and done. Everything before you even reach a few hours, we don't hear say that the issue now no sound say now he call immigration made the kind of me wait inside the matter. So I want clear for here now say nothing at all. We deal with Influence, we're working together, nothing, because I never see anybody for this world we go use hand taste where waiting he build or waiting he work hard on.
What is suffer? What is suffer?
This word.
So you do well. Will they come again? As talking about you will come again. Then the question now I go ask, we say, I don't say, oh, our brother Bello, he just come up now, maybe go see join us back again. The question we say, do you this time when we say it happen like this now? The question we're going to ask, we say, Una will be the team now. That time, Una communicate to myself. Una call this one, say, my brother, what we fit do for this matter as this my brother? See what they take place now. Maybe the other one put head together. This one on the next portion before it reach like this. So we would like to ask our brother Osas that question.
Oh, me? No, sir.
Sorry, I don't mercy. I remove the anyway. They can call the only
actually, because I'm in California now, so I moved from New York like a year ago. So I flew into New York just to support Influence in New Jersey, and then actually I don't buy my ticket already to fly to Houston with him to go support as well. And being that is being said, and I will manage the whole show for US. So when he flew in, actually I was still in California. Then I flew in the next day. So when I came in the next day, I was trying to get a little more information on what is going on. So I don't hear nothing so nobody hear anything from her. So the next thing we did that moment, while the lady was making calls to different lawyers. So me drop from airport, take taxi, go enter car, pick up one of my brother's car. I started driving to New Jersey. So when I reached the airport now, I went to the border, USCIS office for the border patrol office, and I go meet them, explain everything to them. This is what we are going through right now. They told me, they just blocked me or said, no, we don't have any information for you. There's nothing you can do. If your client has any issue, is gonna call. So that was the last time we heard from Influence until Influence can reach Turkey when it was transited to Nigeria. So then he could call us, say, oh, I don't reach Turkey. So that was I think that was about the next day, I believe. Yeah, the next day, now reached Turkey. So there was nothing really much we could do that moment. So and that they reached, according to that, they was calling different lawyers, and we were all worried. We were all confused because we're trying to find out, why exactly.
Sorry to come in. In addition to that, there would have been things like when that rich call lawyer, even Adams, they were already on the store because after, say me not hold my phone, and when I come on, I can see all the chats with them and none of the chat for a group there. The lawyers would maybe the last way be connected for do something. Now me just tell them myself, say, I not go fit stay. They were trying to give me an option, say maybe make I stay, and maybe three if I stay small. Then that the rich, I know say they must be do something, but I know if say since you don't tell me say now this paper now I need. So I know that there's a way that rich of it file am. They may perfect file am, and they'll come begin the things. So I know say it will only take more time, but I will come out for Saturday. But there's no need for that. I needed to just come back to now. You tell say I know they come. They ask me say there anything that I would like to go back to my country. Now me you tell say yes, I want to go back
because you want to do it professionally.
Professionally, see so many for this side, and say Oyibo people, you get the way their matter be. The only thing where I know say where they really respect me for when they see all the visas where they my passport, they were all working visas. Not I know they go. I know all this where they go. I know they spend 2 weeks. The highest I go. I know they spend 2 weeks.
Okay.
So I'm sorry to be like me not bless I jump into what you talk.
No, you're good. Yeah, you said it all.
Room for a part that they reach, a Adams and Osako to just organize things and I will live there. But I just told them no need. Now that one come from me. I know if you sit down because already you can't do somewhere. For inside the place, the go man, for medicine for YouTube, my music. I begin play my song for inside the where they say I stay there. They begin to laugh.
So influence, listen. The plan say we will give you tax when you pay because you come to Sherport now. You can't be going to use your music again.
Where they be put me? One time they don't play my song. As I hear come up, one of the guys tell me say, "Man, go one big place." They be one doing like say one small place. But the guy you see, you listen to my music. He say, "Man, I sing." Now I sing. As I sing, that's all. Say musician. I can say, "Man, go." Where they be keep me be like one small place, but because say, "Man, go one big room." So don't worry, man. I just relax myself. So that's good.
So now you don't talk about our brother Musabi one talk before. You see don't clear that area. But the next thing we say, I would like to ask, we say, why they ask these questions, we say, now based on what we say, we did hear, we because we invite, say, maybe we'll try contact you now before you go viral, say all this kind of rumor we say we hear. So we want to just get here from the direct horses, they call say horse here from the horse's mouth. That would happen. You for now, no as a be. I want to be say come with me from the lepers. Say influence getting by himself. He can't talk like this. That's where we say they discouraged, where they disappointed. He don't want to talk like this. Now that can't tell me for inside though. Because they say influence they discouraged. You guys say don't tire.
Influence Akaba deported by the USC. They talk the thing. They have to come here. They can teach way to report you. Now I say, but this don't know anything. They are the shout for their name.
So now the question have to say,
okay.
Make we don't be like say we try to not say talk about another area where they for inside. Because we don't say people don't buy these tickets. Because with the years, tickets, people don't really sell these tickets. And another thing I want to ask, because some people don't get that clear. I would like make that clear us today. We will pass this one and go give our brother Bello, make he tell us that one. Because I think they put all that key a bit tight for neck. He go fit tell us more about that one. We should not be say this event where influence them will be promoter or not be management. Because they're not going to carry on now say as they talk say our brother Richard that ain't to make influence, make it go back and be get problem with her, whatever. Because as far as they manage somebody, we don't say manager they spend money, even join what people say they do. So the
Yes.
question is, we want to get on straight here. Our brother Bello. What
Thank
if
you.
you should be promoter or be management? I put be now the kind of influence make up play for now. We don't understand.
You know, honestly.
Now, that question.
Thank you.
No,
Influence is
wait,
an answer.
no. They're here with us. You go talk out the here with us. You can't play. I say you can't play. I say they make it sweet there for body.
No.
Talk out first.
Okay.
Well, let me. I'll be honest with you guys, right? Anybody that I'm a behind the scene kind of person. You understand?
Yes.
I will let one of my brothers, Richard or Nosa, answer that question because I'm more behind the scene. You understand?
Okay.
What I'm gonna say is this. We are a team of consigned Edo individuals. And three of us, we have our individual businesses. And with the fact that we're from Edo State and we're from Benin, we wanted to promote the culture here in the US. So what we did, we brought influence here through one of our organizations. So that's how we brought influence. So I will use the word, and before we brought influence, we gave him a contract that we are going to manage his shows over here. So we are not promoters. We sell most of the shows to other promoters to host in different cities and different states in the US. But the show that happened in 2019, it was me, Adams, and the Rich that put that show together. So just for us to introduce and do that show to introduce influence to the US market, so that way, when other promoters can start seeing what he did and start buying the show to do it in their own cities.
Okay, you do well. So sure say, when they put that money for inside itself. My people are here so. How possible is it to put in money for something? He himself would